Namaskaram. Last lecture, I have taken the places, different types of places. Again, I am continuing some more topics. This is 13th one, theatre. Written in English, it's called Thirai Arangam. Thirai Arangam. See, in Tamil, see, it is written like this. Thirai. Im Arangam. So it's called Thirai Arangam. Then we are coming to museum. It's called Kalai Kodam. Kalai Koodam English written. In Tamil it's like this. Kalai Koodam. Kalai Kodam. I'm repeating once again. For theatre we say Thirai Arangam. And for museum we say Kalai Kodam. The 15th one is a church. There are different types of church. Some believe of Jesus, some believe only Mary. So that is why it's called Devan Church or Mata Kovil. Devan Kovil or Mata Kovil. Written in stone. And also it's called Paldi. In Malayalam also we say Paldi. In Tamil also there is another name called Paldi. This means church. So Devan in Tamil and Mata and Kovil. You can say Alayam also. I told you there are two names for the temple. Then Paldi, Paldi. For Masudi, mosque, we say Masudi, Masodhi. It's also called Paldi. So this is Masudi and Paldi. I'm repeating once again. For church, we can say Devan Kovil or Devan Alayam, Mata Kovil or Mata Alayam, and then Paldi. And for mosque, there is two names, Masudi or Paldi. Then the 17th one is office. For any office we say Aluvalagam. 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 It's called Aluvalagam. Aluvalagam. Written Tamil like this. Then comes 18th is a factory. It's called Todil. Todil means any profession. Todil means occupation. THOZHIR, Todil Salai, SALAI. So, turn. Todil Salai, Todil Salai. The 19th one is a place. See, whenever we meet somebody, we ask which is native place. It's called Ur. In Tamil, it's called Ur. Then comes town. For town we say Pattanam. 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 Maybe once again. For office we say Aluvalagam. Aluvalagam. For factory we say Todichalai. Todichalai. For any place we say Ur. Then for town we say Pattanam. Pattanam. Then the 21st is a city. For city we say Nagaram. 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 Then for state we say Manilam. Manilam. Written. Tamil. Manilam. Means state. Now we comes to country. 23rd. Country. Nadu. It has got two names. Nadu, Nadu or Desam, Desam. The Tamil it is Nadu or Desam. Both we can use Desam. And 24th is called hill. For hill we say Kundru, Kundru. Ku, in, Dru. It's called Dru. It's called Kundru. I'm repeating once again. For city, we say Nagaram, Nagarayam. For state, we say Manilam, Manilayam, Manilam. Then for country, we say Nadu, Nadu. And also Desam, Desayam. And for hill, we say Kundru, Ku, Indru, Kundru. The 25th number is mountain. For hill we say Kundru, and for mountain we say Madai, M-A-L-A-I, Malai, Madai. Then comes district. For district we say Mavattam, Ma-Va-Ittam. Mavattam means district, M-A-V-A-T-T-A-M. It is Tamil, Ma-Va-Ittam, Mavattam. Then comes cave. For cave, it's called Gugai. G-U-G-A-I. In Tamil, it's written Gugai, Gugai. Then fort. King's Fort, we say, na? It's called Kottai. K-O-T-T-A, written here. Ko, in Tamil. It-Tai, Kottai. I'm repeating once again. For mountain, we say Malai, Malai. For district, we say Ma-Va-Ittam, Mavattam. Then for cave, we say Gugai, Gugai. Then for fort, we say Kottai, Ko-It-Tai, Kottai. Then the 29th is called harbor, ship harbor. We say Duraimugam, Tu-Rai, Mugaim, Duraimugam, T-H-U-R-A-I-M-U-G-A-M, Duraimugam. Then comes railway station. Rail Nilayam. In Tamil we call it Rail Nilayam. R-E-R-E-L. Rail Nilayam. Nilayam. Rail Nilayam. N-I-L-A-Y-A-M written in English. And then comes 31st is a hotel. For hotel we say Unavagam. Unavagam means food, where we eat our food. U-N-A-V-A-G-A-M, Unavagam. U-N-N-A-V-A-G-A-M, Unavagam. I'm repeating once again. For harbor, ship harbor, we call it as Thuraimugam. And for railway station, we say Rail Nilayam, E-Rail Nilayam. And for hotel, we say Unavagam. Then the 31st is airport. We say Vimana Nilayam. Vimana means plane. V-I-M-A-A-N-A-N-I-L-A-Y-A-M. Here in Tamil it is V-Ma-Na-Ni-Lai-Ya-Im. Vimana Nilayam. Hospital. For hospital, H-O-S-P-I-T-A, hospital, it's called Maruthuvamanai, M-A-R-U-T-H-U-V-A-M-A-N-A-I written. In Tamil, Ma-Ru-It-Tu-Va-Ma-Nai. This is 9. So it's called Maruthuvamanai. I'm repeating once again. For airport, it's called Vimana Nilayam. And for hospital, we say Maruthuvamanai. The 34th number is a quote. I already taught you another chapter. It's called Nidimandram. Nidhi means justice. N-E-E-D-H-I M-A-N-D-R-U-M. Nidhi Mandram Ma Indrayim. This is Ni Ti Ma Indrayim Mandram. 35 number is footpath. NADAI PAATHA. Called Nadai Padai. Nadai Padai. Nadai Padai. I am repeating once again. The 34th is Nidhi Mandram. Ni Di Ma Indra Im. It's called court. Then footpath, we say Nadai Padai. Padai. Then comes platform. For platform, we say Nadai, NADAI, Medai, MEDAI. Na, Dai, Medai. So Nadai, Medai means platform. Then we are coming to balcony, called Tadvaram. THAAZHBAARAM. In Tamil it's called Ta Il Va Ra Im Tadvaram. Then comes stage. For stage we say Medai, MEDAI. In Tamil it's written like this, Medai, Medai. Then we are coming to veranda. For veranda it's called Thinnai, THINNAI. Thinnai, Thinnai. I am repeating once again. For platform we say Nadai, Medai. And for balcony we say Tadvaram. Then for stage we say Medai. And for veranda we say Thinnai. And 40th one is hut. For hut we say Kudisai, KUDISAI. 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 And for slum it's called Cheri, CHERI, Cheri. In Tamil it is written Che and Ri, Cheri. Then comes cottage, which we call in Tamil as Kudil, KUDIL, Kudil. Kudil, Kudil. This cottage. Then comes tent, TENT. Koodam, it's called Koodam, KOODARAM, Koodam. In Tamil it's called Ko, bigger Ko. Koodaram, it's called Koodaram. Not Koodam, it's called Koodaram. For tent, KOODARAM, Koodaram. In Tamil it's called Koodaram. It's written like this in Tamil. Koodaram, Koodaram. I'm repeating once again. For hut we say Kudisai. And for slum we say Sheri. And for cottage we say Kudil. And for tent we say Koodaram. And now we are coming to the bank. For bank in Tamil we call it a Vangi. Don't say Bangi, it's Vangi. VANGI. Vangi means bank. And for garden or park we say Punga. POONGA. Punga. Tamil is written Pu-ing-ka, Punga. And for field, for agricultural field we say Vayal. VAYAL, Vayal. Paddy field. It's called Vayal. Vayal. And for farm, it's called Totam. THOTTAM. In Totam. Now I am repeating once again. For bank we say Vangi, Ingi. And for garden or park we say Punga, Puinga. And for field, agricultural field, we say Vayal, VAYAL, Vayal. And for farm, we say Totam, Totam. And for ground or land, we say nilam. You know, ground. Normally, for any constructing any house, you will ask how much nilam you have, how much land you have. So this ground or land is called nilam. Ni, la, im, nilam. Now we are coming for a bus stand. BUSSTAND for bus stand. Perundu. Perundu means bus. So Perundu Nilayam. PERUNDU. Perundu Nilayam. NILAYAM. In Tamil it's Peru into Perundu Nilayam. Ni la yayam. I am repeating once again. For ground or land we say Nilam. And for bus stand we say Perundu Nilayam. And Choltri means Dharamshala, they say in Hindi. It's in Tamil it's called Chattiram. CHATTIRAM. Or you can also call it Vidudi. VIDUTHI. So Chattiram Chattiram Vidudi. Vidudi. That's got two names. It's called Choltri in English. Chattiram or Vidudi. And lighthouse. For lighthouse we say Kalangarai Vilakkam. KALANGARAI Vilakkam VILAKKM. This lighthouse where the sailors, I mean ship who drive the ship, they see this light and find out the direction. So Kalangarai Vilakkam, to come to the harbor. So it's called lighthouse. Kalangarai Vilakkam. Kalangarai Vilakkam. I am repeating once again. For Choltri it's called Chattiram or Vidudi. And for lighthouse it's called Kalangarai Vilakkam. Kalangarai Vilakkam. And then comes aquarium, where you find this Neerwald Nilayam. It's called Neerwald. This water, wherever all the aquatic animals are kept over there. It's called Neerwald. Neer means liquid, water. NEER, wald. Those aquatic animals which live in there. VAAZH. Nilayam, NILAYAM. So it's called Neerwald Nilayam. Neerwald Nilayam aquarium. Then you are coming to the hill station. Malai Wal Illam. MALAI BAAZH EILLAM. Illam. Malai Wal Illam. It's called hill station. I am repeating once again. For aquarium it's called Neerwald Nilayam. For hill station it's called Malai Wal Illam. And now we are coming to the forest or jungle. We've got 2-3 names. It's called Kadu, or Vanam or Kanagam. There are 3 names. KAADU VANAM and also KAANAGAM written. Kadu, Vanayim, Vanam or Kanagam. There are 3 names.